New England really basked in some late season heat on Monday, with widespread 70s and 80s across the region. Daily record highs were set in cities across all 6 states, including Hartford, which tried to make a push to 90, and Manchester, which beat their previous record by 5 full degrees. Yesterday was the peak of this heat for most in New England, though it will stay very warm over the next couple days. For Tuesday, a weak backdoor cold front will slide through New England. This will result in a switch to an onshore flow for eastern New England, keeping highs from reaching the levels of Monday for many. Areas well away from the coast will barely notice this front as temperatures stay warmer in the mid 70s to low 80s. This cold front is attached to an area of low pressure north of the Great Lakes. This system will be directed well to the north of New England around the ridge of high pressure that has been planted across the Northeast for the past several days. With the low pressure lifting well to the north, the weak cold front will lift back northeast out of New England, almost acting as a warm front. This will prevent a true air mass change with this front. On Wednesday, this front will be gone and the flow will turn more southerly ahead of another approaching cold front. This will allow temperatures to get a notch warmer than they did on Tuesday near the coastline. Away from the coast, we'll see a similar day to Tuesday in regards to high temperatures. Wednesday night into Thursday morning, the approaching cold front will cross New England. This will bring noticeably cooler air into the region for the rest of the week, bringing us back to our late October reality. Highs will be in the 50s north to low 60s south for Thursday and Friday. This front will bring little in the way of showers for most of New England. The most rain will come near the Canadian border with maybe a tenth to 2/10ths of an inch of rain. Farther south, very little by way of measurable rain is expected. These showers will mostly wrap up by Thursday morning. The front will also help keep the remnants of Hurricane Oscar well offshore Thursday. However, if the front and Oscar do interact enough, some showers will be possible in southernmost New England during the day on Thursday. Flow will turn back southerly later on Friday and into Saturday morning ahead of another cold front. Depending on how slowly the front crosses New England, eastern areas could get a notch warmer on Saturday than Thursday and Friday. Sunday will be sharply cooler region wide as this front ushers in a much cooler air mass than the one in the middle of this week. The midweek front will set up dry air over New England, so less coverage of showers is expected with this front. The most showers will again be near the northern border. After this front, another large area of high pressure looks to set up for early next week, keeping the dry times going. This is looking to be a cooler Canadian high pressure, so the warmth from the beginning of this week will not return with this new area of high pressure. With that said, the end of October and beginning of November are looking to feature generally above average temperatures, so another warm up is possible around midweek next week.